Aloha everyone. As we wrap up 2024 and look ahead to an exciting 2025, I want to take a moment to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This season is all about reflection, gratitude, and setting the stage for an incredible future. And that's exactly what I want to talk to you about today. First off, thank you to each of you who have supported Abe Lee Seminars this year, whether by attending our courses, watching our YouTube videos, or simply following along on our journey. It's been a year of growth, learning, and helping so many of you take the first steps towards your dream careers in Hawaii real estate. 2025 is going to be an even bigger and better year. We've been working hard behind the scenes to bring you new ways to learn, connect, and grow. Here's a sneak peek of what's coming. 1. Fresh, practical bulletins twice a month. I know how valuable your time is, so we're creating quick, actionable videos or email articles that will answer your biggest questions about real estate. From how to pass the Hawaii real estate exam to insider tips on navigating our unique local market, these articles are designed to help you succeed faster. 2. Exclusive success stories and strategies. You will hear inspiring stories from past students who have transitioned into thriving real estate careers right here in Hawaii. If you've been feeling stuck in a 9-to-5 or searching for more flexibility and income, these stories will show you what's possible. 3. Your personalized real estate roadmap. If you haven't already, make sure to download our free guide at abeleeschool.com. It's packed with step-by-step instructions to help you launch your real estate career and start 2025 strong. And here's the best part. Everything we're creating is designed with you in mind. Whether you're a career changer, a stay-at-home parent, or retiree looking for something new, I believe 2025 can be your breakthrough year. So as we celebrate this special season, I want to encourage you to think about the dreams you have for the new year. Let's make them happen together. Thank you for being part of Abe Lee Seminars Ohana. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss a video or article. And if you're ready to take that next step, visit abeleeschool.com to get started today. From my family to yours, Mele Kalikimaka and Haoli Makahiki Ho. I'll see you in 2025.